With the Fairphone Gen 6, we are taking our signature modular design beyond repair, introducing a new line of exclusive accessories that combine function and form perfectly. Mix and match and find unique combinations to make your Fairphone truly yours. The card holder fits up to 3 cards that you can pull out quickly with the easy eject mechanism. The integrated modular design means it's part of your Fairphone, adding minimal bulk to your device. Let's take a look at how to install it on your Fairphone. Using the Torx T5 screwdriver that came with your accessory, remove the 2 black screws on the top of the lower back cover. Make sure to keep the black screws in a safe place as you will need them again shortly. Once you have removed the screws, slide the lower back cover off by gently pulling down on it, like this. Remove the lower back cover, take your card holder accessory, and place it over the battery like so. Now, gently push up and the cover should slide right into place. Then, all you need to do is screw the 2 black screws back onto the cover, and that's it. It's important to use the correct amount of force when doing this. Gently tighten the screws until you can feel a slight resistance. Then turn 1/8 of a turn more. Not too much, but not too little either. And there you have it! You have just installed your card holder. And if you'd like to add a protective case or the lanyard, you can do that as well. Available in 3 colors, it gives you the opportunity to customize your device with a unique color combination that's truly yours.